definitely the end of the road for those cars. Going on a full flat spin. Thinking of running the motor home. Walks on the back tires for a bit. Unbelievable save. Sharing contact left and right. Just eating up the clutch bar. Really flying across those cars. Almost went over there. Must have not needed that piece. Trying to tackle the bus. It's definitely the end of the road for those cars. Wow, dominating freestyle performance.